are going to love the 2020 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, lane departure warning, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, keyless start, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, front-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.